and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, as you guys can tell by the title, I'm going to be styling my hair with no product. So I've been wanting to do this video for a while. I actually saw someone do this video recently and I thought, okay, it's time for me to do it as well. I'm super excited and nervous for this video only because I've never let my hair be with no product. Every time I wash it, I style it, and you know how that goes. The only time that I've never applied any product to my hair is if I'm flat ironing. Oh my god, I can't talk. If I'm straining it. And yeah, so I never really seen how my hair looked. I feel like I'm scared because I feel like I'm scared for it to be frizzy. So yeah, I did a little bit of research, and I've seen other people that have done this video. Their hair came out pretty good to say they don't have any product. So I'm a little scared that mine is just gonna look like no. I'm not gonna apply any product. I am going to style it, of course. I'm gonna be using the Demon brush. I'm going to be doing the things that I normally do if I were to apply product. I'm not sure if I'm going to diffuse my hair though, because I feel like that's just gonna apply more first, and I really do not want my hair to look frizzy. I really want it to look okay, you know. I'm anxious to see how my hair looks with no product, because of course the products that you use they enhance your curls. So I want to see how my natural curls look. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go wash my hair. I'm not gonna film that because I feel like you guys don't really need to see that. I mean, I'm not doing anything special. I'm just gonna wash my hair. So yeah, I'll be right back so we can start styling our hair with no product. So yeah. Okay, so my hair is washed. I did leave a little bit of conditioner in my hair to kind of work as a leave-in conditioner because I didn't want my hair to be too dry. I didn't want to dry my hair out. So I did want to have at least something on my hair. So I left a little bit of conditioner. While I was in the shower, I did detangle my hair, and after I detangled it, I parted my hair where I normally would part it. I wanted to do that in the shower for some reason. I didn't want my hair to be too crazy when I got out of the shower. So this is how it looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and start styling my hair with the Demon brush. Just gonna go ahead and, I don't have a clip here. Oh, got my clip. So my hair is soaking wet. I didn't dry my hair when I got out of the shower because I didn't want to dry it too much, because I knew I was going to start use a Demon brush and I didn't want it to be too dry. So my shirt is so wet. My hair normally takes a long time to air dry, obviously. I mean, that's normal. But I'm not going to diffuse it today, only because I don't know, for some reason I feel like it's just gonna make my hair frizzy for some reason. So I'm gonna air dry it, but I feel like that's probably not gonna take a long time because I'm not applying styling product. And I don't know, I feel like the process of air drying takes long because of the products. So I feel like maybe since I don't have products, styling product on. Sorry, I don't know if you could hear my kids in the back. They're loud. Like I was saying, since I'm not gonna have styling product on, maybe the drying process will be a lot shorter, but we shall see. Okay, and since my hair is soaking wet, I'm gonna take a t-shirt to dry it. So I'm gonna scrunch my hair with the t-shirt. This is going to help define my hair a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and let my hair dry for a little bit, and then I'm gonna come back in the camera and show you guys how it's going. Okay, so my hair has been drying for about 2 hours. I don't know, I didn't really look at the time that I finished styling my hair, but it feels like 2 hours. Well, I forgot to mention earlier the products that I use to wash my hair, like the shampoo and the conditioner. I use Suave, Shea Moisture, and Pure Coconut Oil shampoo and conditioner. I will be linking everything I use down below, because I also use a hair mask. I'll be linking it down below if you guys want to take a look at it. I also did a review on the Suave products. If you guys want to take a look at it, it'll be up here. So yeah, back to my hair. My hair is almost dry. Well, not really, it's not almost dry. The back is still pretty wet. It's about like 70% dry, I could say. But it's drying up really frizzy, you guys. Like, this is like a little disappointing, but I mean, I already kind of felt like that is the route that my hair was gonna take, was the frizzy side, of course. That's why I was trying to kind of minimize the amount of frizz it was gonna have. I don't know why mid-diffusing it makes me feel like it was gonna make it more frizzy, but that's why I decided not to do that. I decided to just air dry because I mean, I wasn't expecting, I have no product on, so I wasn't expecting to get volume, and I wasn't expecting for it to be so defined as well, and it is exactly what my hair is doing. But it looks really frizzy. I'm a little disappointed, but hey, that's my hair. Gotta love it, right? So I'm gonna go wait for it to keep drying, and then I'll be back when it's completely dry to show you guys the finished results. And yeah, okay, so I'm back and my hair is fully dry. To say that I have no product on right now, I am amazed. It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. It's actually a little defined. Like, I just thought it was going to be a big frizz ball, to be honest, but it doesn't look that bad. If I was stuck somewhere for some reason and I couldn't get products, curly hair products, if I couldn't buy any products, I wouldn't mind rocking my hair like this. Like, yeah, it doesn't look bad. Maybe just be me trying to hype myself up, but let me know what you think in the comments. I don't think it looked bad. Like, to be honest, it is frizzy, of course, but hello, that's curly hair for you. You know, it's frizzy. Like, I was really nervous about this video because, like I said, I did some research and I saw how other people's hair looked with no product, and I'm like, wow, like, it looks so good. I have to try this. But then again, like, I was scared that mine was gonna look like a poof ball, you know? I think my hair looks pretty good. All right, let me know what you think in the comments. And I love that it feels so soft. Like, obviously I have no product on and it's really light and, like, you know, but it feels so, like, it's soft. Like, I really like this feeling. But yeah, that is it for this video. Let me know what you let me know what you thought down in the comments. Have you ever tried to rock your hair with no products? Is that your thing? Like, do you not style your hair with products at all? Share that with me in the comments. Let me know. I'm curious to know if this is just like a challenge for some people like me, or is there people out there that actually just wash their hair and don't use any products at all? Because, you know, curly hair, everybody's curly hair is different, so your hair may work differently with no products than mine, you know? So yeah, leave a comment below and like this video to support my channel, and subscribe to my channel if you are not already, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.